Hello, Leos. Hello to all of the Leos out there. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome to Visions of Light and Love. This is your reading for the last week in February. This reading is for all of my Leos out there. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the last week in February. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to Visions of Light and Love. If this reading does not resonate with your situation, check out your Moon, Venus, and Rising sign videos. Cross watchers are welcome. If you find that this reading does resonate with your situation and you would like to show some support, I ask that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when new videos are posted. Hit that subscribe link along with the thumbs up image so that this video may circulate and may find someone else that is in need of some enlightenment or clarity. So we are starting off with the Page of Wands in the reverse. What's this Page of Wands here for the sign of Leo? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why is this Page of Wands here for the sign of Leo? Okay, this one wanted to come out. The Two of Wands. The Two of Wands. So we have the High Priestess. Cancer, Pisces energy is here. Some of you may be dealing with a Cancer or a Pisces. We have the Five of Wands. A lot of fire energy. We have the Two of Cups with the Star card, Aquarius energy. All right, that's it. The Four of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and we have the Ten of Cups. At the bottom of the deck, Leo, you are in your own energy with the Strength card. Some of you need strength and courage right now. In order to take action and to move. Some of you need strength and action. Some of you need strength right now to take action, to make a decision. Some of you have a decision on the table here. But I feel like you're not, you need strength to make this decision. Because right now, you're not taking any action to make it. High Priestess, Cancer, Pisces energy. You may have to go within yourself to discover what you truly want. Or it may not be time to make the decision. Maybe this has something to do with the divine timing. So you haven't made a decision yet. I feel like you know the answers to the question. You already know that the divine already, the universe, God has already given you the answer. But I feel like you haven't taken action to step into that answer yet. You have not taken action to make this decision yet. And with this 5 of Wands here, it's because you know that it's going to cause some kind of confliction. There's going to be some drama, possibly some fighting, arguing. And at this time, it's not worth your energy or your time. This may have something to do with an Aquarius, with the Star card. Some of you may have fallen in love with someone else, or you are conflicted again about making a decision in love with someone that you really love. You're trying to have faith and remain positive, but you have not yet made this decision. I feel like you and this person see eye to eye. There's reciprocity, give and take. I'm hearing unexpected, like you didn't expect to fall in love with this person. But you have. So you're trying to remain positive about the situation. With the 4 of Swords, you may have withdrew. Someone have withdrawn their energy, maybe to become single, or this person is single. Like a single person, someone that's like on their own, withdrew their energy to focus on their money. Maybe someone is focusing their energy on their finances. And with this 3 of Pentacles, or someone withdrew their energy because they may have felt alone, but now they're coming back in to put some effort into this union so that they create a 10 of Cups, a happy marriage. Someone may be getting married or is married, because I see a family and then I see a single person. So someone is married. I see 2 children, a boy and a girl, and a home. Someone is happily married, but I feel like may have fallen in love with another person. So let's clarify this, see what else is going on. Why is the Page of Pentacles here and the Page of Wands here in a reverse? For my Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why is this Page of Wands here in a reverse? Okay. The Emperor. The Emperor, Aries energy. So again, you're not taking control of the situation. You're not taking action to take control of the situation. Because I feel like this decision will cause some type of heartbreak. You may be, either you or someone else is like being immature about it. Because you may love, with this King of Cups, I feel like you have love for both of these people. And you know that once you make this decision, you may feel like you're going to look like a fool. Some of you may be wearing a mask, not truly showing how you feel, uncertain about how things are going to turn out. So you're juggling. You're juggling multiple things, multiple people, waiting for an answer that you already have pertaining to a marriage. You want victory in this situation. But I feel like you have withdrawn your energy to gain some type of clarity and wisdom pertaining to a Cancer with the Chariot, or moving on from a Cancer. Because you know that there will be conflict, arguing, bickering, and fighting. Why is this Five of Wands here? See, you got the Five of Wands again on top of the Five of Wands. So there will be some type of, there may be physical fighting within a marriage. Could be fighting over a child, a little girl to be specific. There could be a fight over a child, maybe a physical fight over a child. Arguing about a child. And it's causing you to feel overwhelmed, burdened, feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your back because you're juggling. You want things to move quickly. You want to take action quickly, communicate quickly, but you can't. You're waiting. You're waiting. We are back to that divine timing, and it's causing you to be up at night anxious because you're thinking about this other person, because this other person is your wish fulfillment, but they may be single. I feel like you love this person, Gemini energy, but you have a decision to make. You're waiting for something to be illuminated to you about a marriage. This marriage may maybe make you feel like you're burdened, like you have a lot of responsibilities. It makes you feel like you're in a mental prison, or you're restricted and you can't get out. I feel like you need to overcome these obstacles and speak your truth. But you know it'll cause a broken heart if you speak the truth about this third-party situation. So with the Empress, Libra, Taurus energy, you stay. Take care of your home, take care of your children, and nurture your situation. Although you know you're stabbing someone in the back, causing disappointment, feeling like your back is up against the wall, and you know that you're giving to multiple people while you're married. So what's the outcome? Okay. You're going to remain stuck lose money, and continue to be up at night thinking about someone else that you're passionate about. May have insane chemistry with this person, but because you're not willing to make a decision, or you have made a decision that goes against what you feel or what you want for the sake of a family, you are going to remain up in your head, mentally conflicted about this situation or this person who is your wish fulfillment. What advice, Spirit, what advice do you have for my Leos? Okay. You are limitless. You can do anything you choose. But it came out in a reverse. And I feel like it came out in a reverse because you are not choosing to do what you want to do. So, Leos, this is your reading for the last week in February. Remember, energy could go either way. This could be you, this could be your partner. Comment below, let me know if this is your story. Share, like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up image. Be safe. I'm sending you love, light, peace, and healing energy. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your week, and I will see you next time. Bye.